Joseph Irungu kana Jowie aikirio ngono tariki 26 mweri wa kenda mwaka wa 2018 agikuruhanio na gikuu kia mwonjoria Monica Kimani uria wakorirwo oragitwo nyumba-ini gwake mwena wa Kilimani tariki 19 mweri wa kenda mwaka wa 2018. Ona thutha wa gukorwo agikihoya kuri igoti arekereirio na bodi, Jowie akoretwo ahingiritwo hau kabere mucirithania James Wakiaga akigweta ati Mwikuirwo uyu aya kwaga gwikinyia igoti-ini. No muthia wohoro riu Jowie niarekereirio na bail ya ciringi mirioni 2 mbeca baribari.
Having stated the legal principles and considered the affidavits, pre-bail report and the submission the parties, I found that there are now no compelling reason to enable me deny the accused his right to bail. The evidence of the protected witnesses have now been secured. His parents have provided an alternative accommodation. There has been no evidence of any contact with prosecution witnesses during the period of he has been in custody, and the likelihood of being a flight risk can be adequately mitigated through appropriate bond and bail terms.
Ona kuhanoro uguo ni athitwo kuneana passport yake igoti-ini niguo kumugiriria kumagara kuma guku bururi-ini. Oho agiathwo gukorwo akihura riboti ceceni-ini ya cifu wa itura riake o kana ka muthia wa mweri.
He shall not make any contact with any prosecution witnesses, including those who have testified against him, in whatever nature, unless the same is done in the presence of the investigating officer. The accused shall not comment or discuss or post anything on this case, including the testimony of the witnesses, the direction of the trial and the likely outcome, either by himself or through agents on any media platform, including social media.
Age aria magumeirwo ni thitango cira-ini uyu ni mumemerekia Jackie Maribe uria warekereirio na bodi tariki 30 mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2018. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.